In this video, we are going to explore the halogens. This is the periodic table, and halogens are group 7. There is fluorine F, chlorine Cl, bromine Br, iodine I, and astatine At. We are going to look at some examples of halogens. This image here shows a jar containing chlorine gas. If you look carefully, you will notice that the color of the gas is pale green to yellow gas. This is bromine. You can notice that bromine has a red-brown color. Notice the two states in which the bromine exists in a jar. Actually, bromine is liquid at room temperature, but it evaporates readily into gas. Now let's take a look at iodine. This is iodine. It's a dark violet solid and it has violet vapor. Some of the vapor has sublimed into solid specks on the upper part of the beaker. In fact, iodine provides an excellent example of sublimation. When iodine sublimes, it forms a visible purple gas. When solid iodine crystals are heated, the iodine will change from solid directly to gas without passing through a liquid phase, and this is what we call sublimation. These were a few examples of halogens, group number 7.